Alright folks, so you guys know about my mud flaps that I've installed a few weeks ago. And you also know that I cannot install it on the driver's side on the rear because of this stupid bolt right here. I have been able to install it on the passenger side rear, but where is it? Well, it is right here, completely destroyed. So as I was going back home, actually the day that I did the mini road trip, when I got back, we have a sidewalk just like this on the other side. So as I tried to back up, the mud flap got caught on between here and the sidewalk. I was really close though, by the way. As I was backing up, since we're backing up, it catches onto the wheel and boom bam boom. I'm hoping I'll be able to put it back to what it's supposed to look like. I don't have high hopes, but I'll try. Other than that, I need to take care of this car. It is pretty dirty right now. You can't really see, it doesn't show that much. We have these over here because of the road trip. We have this mess over here. My plan was to get it to the detailer so that he could take care of it, but detailing services are pretty expensive, especially if you want the good work. And as you know, I'm saving for my wheels right now. I'm actually thinking about buying them today, so I'll be holding onto that for later. Today I'm just gonna go to the car wash I'm used to going. I'll try to tell them to take care of this so that it's pretty much like new, like this side compared to this. And then I'm gonna put my new floor mats, because I bought floor mats like 2 months ago. My sister is flying over, and I want my car to be as pristine as possible. All nice and clean now. I'm not necessarily pleased with the work that they've done here. I guess that's the best they could do. Yeah, I mean, it's for $35, so can't be expecting too much, right? It is time to install the floor mats. I went with Husky. This one seems a little bit better looking and more so what I'm looking for in floor mats than the WeatherTech. Front driver and passenger installed. Looks pretty good to me. You will notice that this space is still covered. I haven't cut it yet. To be honest, I don't know what I'll use. I tried to use a knife, but I don't think that's gonna do the job because this thing is pretty solid. I guess for now, just gonna lift it up and pull it that way. That's good for now. Looks nice. I like the logo like that. Thinking about it right now, I've never had any rear passenger. Always front ones. Oh, no. That's a lie. I did. 2, actually. But only once. Alrighty. All done. The rear, the front, And we're gonna take care of everything that's behind this thing and all those dirty spots later down the line. Right now we have other things to worry about. So, Jesus, these things are pretty solid, I'll be honest. These things are pretty solid. Now, this part bends pretty easily. This is supposed to be something like this, I'm guessing. Actually, you know what? I have the other one. We have it right here. We can use it as a reference. And yeah, it's supposed to be like this. But ours is like that. Man, that sucks. That really sucks. I'm hoping you can still put a screw or a bolt there to hold it. Because if we can't do that, then that would be bad news. I do not mind buying another bumper, rear bumper, but I haven't searched online to see how much it would cost me, not only to buy it but also to paint it, and to paint match, since we have this chip over here. But that is only if I can't put the bolts back on as securely as it should be. I actually knew about that, but I didn't think I would be experiencing this myself, because when I was watching YouTube videos about not installing necessarily this part, but I was watching a guy, he was installing rear tail lights, and in his video you could see him doing maneuvers around his driveway, and he was saying that the reason why he was doing it was because if he got caught the mud flaps like I did, it would just ripped off. I heard about that, I was like, it's never gonna happen to me, and here I am. So that kind of sucks. It wasn't crazy expensive. I think it was like what, 150 something for another set. I might go that route instead of trying to put it back as straight as possible. I don't think I want to do that. So yeah, we'll have to buy another set, and hopefully it'll fit back like nothing happened. SF6, people. It came out a few days ago, and that's what I've been playing since then. I am particularly enjoying Jamie's theme, Ryu's theme as well. Those are my favorites. And right now I'm just practicing with Geef. I play all my 2D fighting games on keyboard, and for PS5 that is the device that I use. For PS3 and 4, that's it right here. Is the same company that made those two Keymander. This one though has way more options and is way more customizable than this one. This one is very bare bone. It's pretty much only made for people that play FPSs, whereas this one you could map your buttons, you could map so many stuff. That was helping me with SPDs or 360 motions. So right now I have to do without, but it's no big deal. I've been practicing. Actually, let me show you. All right, hopefully you can see something. Yes, a little bit. All right, so to do 360 on keyboard, boom. And because of the input leniency on SF6, I think it was also the same thing on SF5. I'm not too sure, but because of the input leniency, I can do instant air SPD. Jesus Christ. There you go. It's kind of hard because I'm putting this to show you, but if I'm just doing it normally, nope, that's not what I wanted. There you go. I can time it also to be a little bit high. There you go. So yeah, been playing this game, enjoying it. Of course, just like any fighting game, it is annoying after a while when you deal with stuff you don't like. But overall, it is a pretty good game. In other news, I finally bought the wheels, just the wheels. I'm going to buy the tires locally, and I'm going to do the install all at once. But the wheels, I just bought them yesterday, at least this morning, early this morning, because I was editing. So yeah, I don't know how long it's going to take them for shipping. They haven't sent me the email about that yet. The rims and the tires, those combined are the most expensive things probably that I'm going to be getting for the car, at least for the first version of the car. The wrap is also going to be as expensive, I think. Yeah, I think it's going to be as expensive, but the big items, the wheels, those, after those, it's gonna take less time to get everything else that I need. But yeah, very excited.